Have you ever taken a photo through a window or with strong light and it ended up full of annoying reflection? Well, your Galaxy S25 Ultra can help fix that with just one tap. Let me show you how to use the erase reflection feature in the Gallery app. First, open Gallery app. Find a photo that has light glare or a reflection. Now, swipe up on the photo. If the phone detects reflection, you will see a button called Erase Reflection. Tap it and wait a moment. Your phone will use AI to analyze and remove the reflection. After that, you will see a cleaner version of your photo. You can then tap Save and then select Save to save the change, or tap Save Copy to save the change as the new image and keep the original one. As a note, the Erase Reflection button only appears if the phone detects reflection in the image. It doesn't show up on every photo, so you can try it with different lighting or glass surfaces if you don't see the option. Why is this feature useful? It saves your best shot from being ruined by unwanted glare, especially when you are indoors, behind glass, or near light. You don't need editing skill, just one tap and the reflection is gone. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.